What's up everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to recursively delete all files of specific extension in a directory. Okay, maybe you have PNG files in a particular directory and subdirectories. Okay, and you want to be able to delete all those PNG files in the directory and each subdirectory inside the folder. Okay, how you're going to do that is pretty simple. First, you open up the terminal. Then you type find, type -name, quotations, *.png, okay, and then you close the quotations. Now when you type this and press enter, this is going to recursively check through the directory. Okay, and actually I should have specified the directory here. This is going to recursively check through the current directory, and then it will print out all PNG files that we have. So if I press enter, you see that we have a lot of them. Okay, but I don't want to do that in the current directory. I want to go to the desktop and then test delete. Okay, this is the directory that I want to delete the files. I have some files here, some screenshots and some folders. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to delete every PNG files in the directory and in each subfolder. Okay, in order to do that, we are going to use the find with the current directory. Then we are going to say -name *.png, and then we're going to say -type f and then -delete. Okay, but before we do -delete, I'm going to leave this and print. Now when you press enter, it will print out all the PNG files that it will be deleting. Okay, just to make sure that we are not deleting, we are not mistakenly deleting a file that we didn't want to delete. This would help us. Okay, I'm going to clear that, and then I'm just going to say -type f and then -delete. Once you press enter and you don't get any errors, it means that this has successfully been deleted. And then if you check the directory again, you see that we have no PNG files anymore. If I check with the other directories, we have no PNG files inside, and that's just how it is. It's as simple as that. Yep. So with this command, even if you have thousands of directories, you can easily delete a specific file, okay, from the directory and in each subdirectory. Okay, if you wanted to delete from maybe you didn't want to delete from the current directory, you don't have to use the dot. You can just specify the directory, so it will just be find with the directory, okay, -name. I started at the file extension here, okay, -type f and then -delete. Just replace the extension with a file extension that you want to delete. Replace the directory with the folder that you want to specify. If you already navigate to the current directory in the terminal, you can just use dots instead of specifying the directory again, and press enter. If you don't have any errors, then your files will be deleted without any issues. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you have any issues or problems, just comment it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.